He just pointed the gun at me, motherfucker.
Just pointed the gun at us. We're in the garage. 3117.
I can't see over here. Cover that window.
Perhaps light.
Yeah. I'm gonna fucking kill you if you fuck them out here. Show me your hands now. Show me your hands. You're gonna get bit by a dog. Drop the gun and show me your hands. Come on, man. You haven't done anything wrong tonight.
Why are you fucking after me?
Because you've done some other things.
Like what?
Just put the gun down. We can talk about it.
Like what?
I'm gonna get it.
Tell me what I'm getting arrested for.
Right now, just for running.
Bullshit. What else?
I'm here.
Get out. Back up. Back up.
Flow.
Come on. Right here. He's behind the shed. Right there behind the shed. Right there behind the shed.
Is he down? Yeah, he's down. He's down. Commands.
He's on his back. His hands are out to his side.
Where's he going?
I don't know. It was in his right hand. He banged it on the wall and then he came out and presented it.
I got you. Hey, hold him now.
We're good. We're good. Where's the gun at? Hey, dude, we need to get you some help. Tell me where the gun is.
We don't have one.
All right, 40. Hey, crawl towards me now. Crawl towards me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stow it, yeah. Here. Come on, give me cover, guys. Get up here. Do you see the gun? Is it still on his waistline? All right, let's move up to